Good day! My name is Beverly Perez, 38 years old. I am a single mother. I have a one daughter aged 14 years old. I am a bachelor graduate of elementary education major in work ed. I have experience as a teacher for almost 5 years. I handled that at ages 5 years old to 9 years old. My responsibilities and duties are how to teach and write, to read and counting the numbers of the pupils, and also guided in the outside playing. I have experience as a nanny local here in the Philippines. I'm taking care from the newborn baby until to the 7 years old. My duties and responsibility is cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and laundry. And also the kids. I carry on all the start for feeding the baby, starting to walk. Until to the 7 years old, I guided to all that. If you hire me, I will do my best. I am a trustworthy, hardworking, and dedicated. Goodbye. Thank you.